Hello and welcome to another Barrow cleanup video. Starting at the skate park once again, because today I'm not doing a sort of general clean of Buxton. I have a mission, I have a target. If you've watched the Blue Lagoon video, well, I mean, now it's self-explanatory where I'm going, but yes, I'm going up to the Blue Lagoon because it's still in a bit of a state and people still use it for other general activities. It'd be nice to see it cleaned up, so that's what I'm doing. Obviously I'll be cleaning up on the way, hence why we're in the skate park. Although I've been a bit silly and I have injured myself. It's quite an embarrassing injury. Basically about 3 weeks ago now, which I'm shocked that I'm still feeling it, I was on the dodgems. Very cool dodgems, may I add. It was themed to football, so you had a big yoga ball you can hit around and try and get it in the goal. But I had my hand under the wheel, got hit into, and I think I've sprained my hand and it's still feeling it, which is annoying. Now there are some downsides to my route today. A, it's already a windy day and where I'm going is even windier, and B, there's not that many public bins. So although I haven't collected a lot, I'm already going to dump this lot before I start heading up. And I'm saving this wet rag because this is good weight. Gotta say, coming past the cottage, I'm really pleased. I've had to stop like twice. That's it. There's hardly any rubbish on this pavement. It's fantastic. Never really clocked it before. So I emptied the bin again because we're getting much closer now at Fernway, and I wasn't going to record this today, but down on Fernway someone has a very cool little box full of goodies, which looks like it's open today, which I found on the way up from the Blue Lagoon filming. I had a rocky road from it. It was very good, and I was going to put that clip here, but it was so good that I just thought, I might as well buy another. Oh, and we've got new things as well, because they weren't there. They weren't there. It's not the rocky road. I think all the rocky road's gone. Anyway, that's what I wanted. And that's my little treat for when I get to the top of the hill, along with a drink. I must say, Harper Hill, given its windswept nature, it's very clean. There's hardly anything to pick up here. And also these railings on the right hand side, I want to say recently, but I think it's probably 2 months now. Loads of people volunteered and they went and painted it this lovely green, which before it was kind of galvanised, starting to rust, looked a bit down, so this looks 1,000 times better. Unfortunately, I think I know what that is, but the bin not too far away. I'm not having that in the barrow, just in case I put something heavy in it from the lagoon and squish it. But literally, the bin's there. Was it really that hard for that person to do that? Getting close. There you go, that's the road in. I'm going to sit on that wall and I'm going to have that jammy Dodger Blondie and an ice can. Cold, refreshing drink. Notice that it's hidden behind the pile now, but there's a bulldozer levelling the ground there. It's crazy. That whole hill just at some point is going to be covered, isn't it? But there's still moo cows up there for now. I think the top of it has to be protected anyway because there's a tumulus, an old like ancient barrow at the top, which I don't know much about. Might need to look into that. Oh, there it is. It's very, very good. And so it begins. But to be fair, most of it is spewed right next to the lagoon, not actually anywhere else. There was quite a bit on that path, but I think for the most part it's all the stuff that I spotted last week. Look at the state of that one, eh? Filthy bar. Well, it's taken no less than 10 minutes, and I didn't realise there was this much. It's quite problematic. The wind is so strong here. Every time I put something in, it's coming straight back out again. So I didn't expect this, but what I'm gonna have to do is go back down to the bottom of the hill, dump it in that bin I spotted. I put that doggy bag in, and then come back up. Carry on doing it until I've got a second barrow, at least. Saving the rag once again. Thankfully most of them were in plastic bags like that, which I'm happy to leave outside the bin for the council to collect. I'm getting my exercise in today. Turning off that blondie. When I said I'm going to clean it, I'm giving it a good go. We are scaling the sides of it. There's quite a lot of people trying to come up here and see the Blue Lagoon, which I've told them it's not here anymore. Okay, so what's ended up happening is I've severely underestimated how many wheelbarrows worth of rubbish there is up here. So this is our second, and it is 4 o'clock. Might be able to get one done. It's so funny how many people are still walking up here expecting a Blue Lagoon. If only they watched my video, they would know. They're a week too late. Do apologise if you're up Harper and you use this bin regularly. I don't like doing this. This is the first time I think I've ever done it to a bin, but that is full. But you can put dog bags and stuff in, which I'm sure this bin is normally used for. There is a little bit of space for that, but yeah, I do apologise. I want to get a third wheelbarrow done, so it means I have to basically get up there as quick as possible to then come back down again. Weirdest thing I found, a full tin of baked beans, which have been out in the sun for quite a while because, oh no. Well, there we go. Very pleased with that. Not filled to the brim because I've done it all the way from that side to this side and back there, and this bit here I have cleared. So all of this, there's no rubbish that at least I didn't spot. Oh, see, well, we'll clear that out, but there's plenty of rubbish in the lagoon. It doesn't really concern me because, well, it doesn't need to look nice, and also I don't think there's anything living in it, so it doesn't bother me at all. I'll get these last bits and we'll go down and find another bin further in Harper, and then that's it. Well, that's it. I think it's a mission accomplished. We've done at least 3 wheelbarrows today. So that's pretty much it from this episode. Thank you very much for watching. A huge thank you to my sponsors, Kofi, and until next time, ta-ra.